All right, we're rocking. Oh, I'm good. I got full charge. All right, we're recording. We're over here at my buddy's place. Get ready to hit the creek.
Is your thing up, Luke?
Yeah.
It's on mine?
Yeah. I got to make sure. That's the only thing with the head mount. I don't know, where it's at, but I get better video with the head mount than I do the chest mount. I think.
I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna make you video.
All right. We'll try the rooster.
Watch that old rotten deck there, Tom.
Yeah. We'll,
Step lightly, that's all.
we'll try this old Mep spinner here. She beat up, but she's caught several fish. This is my buddy's place right here. He got the old minnow trap sitting right here, chair, little deck. Oh yeah, boys. Here we go. I see one moving right now. It's a nice little creek that runs out behind his house. There we go. We got a little bass on, boys. There we go. There's a little creek runner. Check him out. He's a feisty little guy. Come on now. Come on in here, little guy. Oh, yeah. He's not a bad bass. He's all right. He's working on a pound. Almost. He's a junior, but he's getting there. Healthy little bass for this small creek, man. Check him out. Let's get the release. There he goes. Old rooster tail. Doing a job. I see some more up here. They're grouped up here. All right. Oh, we got another. Oh, man. Gosh. Had another one. Hit it as soon as it dropped. I lost him. He hit it as soon as it dropped. All right. Let's get back into the action. Oh. Uh-oh. This might have cost me. Yeah. That cost me. We're all right. We got some more stuff to try here. My buddy of mine hooked me up with another rooster tail. We got tied on real quick. Or maybe the... Oh. Try that way too. It'd be nice back here, a little micro, little small whopper popper, you know what I mean? All right. Well, this is nice back here. It's peaceful. Hear an owl in the background. That's cool about this creek. You can see them moving. I got bluegills right here at my feet.
Still recording, Tom?
Yeah.
There's like hydrilla and stuff in there.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, we gave him a break. Let's go. I'm all gumped up there. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Remember last year you had the peanut butter?
peanut butter and jelly time back here, boys. We tore them up. One after another. Uh-oh. Here we go. Hey, there we go. Uh-oh.
Here we go.
Watch out, I'm deadly, boys. All right, let's toss her up in here a little bit. I had a hit right there.
Yeah, I caught one underneath.
Right underneath that pit, yep. Oh, man. I don't know if that was, I don't think that was one snagged. That was a snag, guys.
Some of the bitches are underneath of that shit.
Yeah, they are. I should have brought that old Z-Man bag with me.
All kinds of shit up there. Sprayed all this shit, Tom, trying to get you in there.
Yeah.
Them boards I had, I wanted to put in there.
Picking up too much of that. What do you call it? The moss. What's that called? Moss grass or hydroa grass? Yeah. Yeah. I got a little Z-Man jig, but I'm afraid it might be too heavy, you know? Huh. Yeah. Yeah, she got going through there, man.
She know her in here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that cat. Oh, shit right there. Hot driller.
I drill her.
This is when I was here, man. I threw that spinner bait.
Uh-huh.
That son of a bitch, I seen him. He jumped over the, like, came over the beaver dam right
To
there.
get it.
To chase it.
Oh.
Nice recovery.
Yeah.
Up in here.
Yes.
I have some skill.
I got a little, I should have brought my shorter rod too. I'm using a 7-footer. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Coming back.
Yeah, we got her. We got her.
Man, it's nice out, man. It's been a nice night to be fishing.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Wind, top water.
Not bad either. Mosquitoes ain't that bad either.
That's it, right there. That's going to be the one. Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Tough. Maybe bluegills hanging out.
I seen a couple here. Oh. Let's see what we got right here. This is going to be a short and sweet one, guys. We're just testing the water. Oh, there we go. We had a little bit of action right there, man. You see that flare? He turned sideways on it.
They're up in underneath that shit.
There he is.
I seen something just hit it.
Bluegill.
Yeah.
Several bluegill come out of there. Look, there's 3 of them. I hope the camera can see it. There's 3 of them right there. They come right out from underneath that little bush there. Little baby bluegills. Hit. That wasn't a bluegill. If it was a big bluegill. That felt like an old bass.
Good old rooster tail.
Yeah.
Good bait.
All else fails, get yourself. Look at this. Bluegill's hitting this thing left and right. Little baby bluegill. All right, guys. This is One Lucky Fisherman. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you.